Step 1. Arrange components systematically. Slide the capacitor onto the T-bolt. Then insert it into the corresponding vehicle hole. Step 2. Position the cross bracket. Align its holes with the T-bolts. Then secure by tightening nuts. Repeat this process to fix the 3 minor brackets. Step 3. Locate the side trail rails. Align bracket holes with corresponding rail holes, then tighten firmly. Step 4. Repeat the above procedure to install the opposite rail section. Step 5. Press lock the latch into position and rotate to secure. Then insert quick release screws into adjustable locations and tighten nuts.